So, miss, here's the thing. I'm in the car, you get
On August 4th, 2024 officers conducted a routine traffic stop on a vehicle for driving almost twice the speed limit.
Good. How are you?
Good. Sorry,
Don't reach down. Hey.
Sorry. Yep. Sorry. My license and everything is right down there.
All right. You're not gonna reach right now. All right. I'm gonna wait for the other officer to come. What? Why are you driving like that?
I'm sorry. Like what?
Almost double the speed limit. Where are you coming from?
The car in front of me. I'm just trying to get home so I can.
Where are you coming from?
Just trying to get home so I can get home.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm just following the car in front of me.
Okay. Have you had anything to drink tonight? Have you had anything to drink tonight?
I'm just trying to talk.
All right. This is Officer Silvestri. He says that his license is on the floor mat.
Down by your feet?
K5273.
Am I allowed
Is it by your feet?
I actually don't know what's at my feet. She's just told me that everything's by my feet. I don't know.
No, you told me
You can more than likely grab the door, and I will keep my hands right here. You can look what's at my feet.
Is the vehicle registered to you?
Yes.
What's your name?
Sir.
Okay. All right. Where are you coming from?
I actually just left from dropping my friend home at his house, dropping him off from getting my clothes from the laundromat.
Okay. Anything to drink tonight?
No, absolutely not, officer. If you want to, again, if you'd like to take a look at my feet, you
I'm not worried about your
open
feet.
the door. But other than that, if you don't want to, then
who's
you
this?
are not allowed. I have no fucking idea.
Right.
I actually don't give you any permission to search my car unless there's an actual reason to search the car in front of me.
I didn't ask.
No, that's fine. I'm just telling you.
Okay. You said you haven't had anything to drink tonight?
No, I'm trying to go home.
Okay. Where's home?
Literally 5 minutes up the road.
Where's that?
Okay.
And you said the car's registered to you?
Yes, sir.
All right. Sit tight.
Be right back, okay? Keep your hands where you can see them, okay?
I'm sorry, who are you?
Officer Herman.
That's fantastic.
All right?
Great.
I'm just trying to be cool with you, man, all right?
You're not. I tried to be cool with you and you decided to. So that's your own fault, and that's me being stupid. I will put my hands right here.
All right.
You can see that. Hey, just for the record, you can see this, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? How can I help you?
Just wondering, would you be willing to submit some field sobriety tests just to make sure you're good to drive?
No.
No? Okay. How about a PBT?
No.
All right. So can you step out and talk to me then?
No.
I'm asking you to get out of the car.
And I'm telling you that I would request my lawyers.
I'm sorry?
I'm telling you I request my lawyers.
All right, well, unfortunately, you do not have the option to stay in the car right now.
That's
so
fine.
Get
I
out
will
of the
step
car.
out. That's fine. No issue. I'm not trying to argue with you, especially with her, considering she seems like she wants to tighten me up. That's fine. Here's the thing. Keys, sir. Thank you. I'm coming out. Hands are in the car. Okay? Outside of the car.
Make sure you...
Hey, whoop, sir. Can you... Outside the car. Up top on the car. Right?
Stay right there. Stop for a second.
Away from the keys. Legs spread.
I'm just going to take this knife out of your pocket.
That's fine. I have one in my back left pocket, I believe.
Back left?
Yep.
I don't see one in the back.
Back left pocket. Okay. Then that's the left pocket. It's the back left pocket.
Yep, there's not one in here.
Thank you. Yeah, there's a switchblade in there, I believe. I can grab it if you'd like. Oh. I might have left it home. That's fine too. I'm just telling you. I just don't want to misconstrue anybody at all.
I appreciate it.
I thought it would be in my back left buttock pocket. That's what I thought.
There's nothing back there.
Alright, my apologies. I apologize for that.
One more second.
Yep. It's a
Turn around
groove
for me.
belt.
What's up?
It's a groove belt. It unlatches from the front. It's magnetic.
All right, put your arms down. Relax.
I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna listen to you and every single
PA
thing.
5290.
I'm not gonna move anything other than each arm.
Put your arms down. You can go sit on the front of the car over there.
Arms like to my side.
Sit
Sit
down
on
by
it.
your side.
Okay, so like this.
Just relax, man.
Okay. No, I get you. I get you. Do I trust South Kingstown? No. No, I get you. I'm trying. Right here, right?
Yeah.
Just like this.
Relax.
Arms like this.
Sure. Still your fronts too.
You know what's crazy, actually? Not gonna lie to you. Is I was at the bar with people who actually told me they have suspended licenses.
You were at the bar with them?
Yeah. And you're out here pulling me over. That's crazy.
So how much did you have to drink at the bar?
Oh, not much. I literally just stopped there to do my laundry. That's all.
At the bar?
Yeah, because it's right across the way. I could grab, what's it called? Ramen? I think it's something in a anime show. It's something like ramen or something like that.
Yep.
So I just figured I could grab that.
But how much did you have to drink at the bar?
Oh, just a bowl of ramen.
Okay. What bar were you
all,
at?
all of a sudden, now I'm here.
What bar were you at?
Oh, just a bar.
Which one? Okay. So are you willing to submit some field sobriety tests for me?
I don't think I need to.
Okay. So I have reason to believe that you may be under the influence of
Can I
alcohol.
ask what that is?
Yeah, the odor of alcohol emanating. Take your hands out of your pockets.
Oh.
Emanating from your
Oh,
breath.
my bad. I didn't
Okay.
mean to seem like a threat to you. How can I put my hands? That's not a threat.
Just as I instructed you before, by your side.
Okay.
Okay.
So was that? I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you. I put my hands by my side. I just put my fingers.
I don't want your
That's
hands in your
all.
pockets.
Okay, I'm sorry. That's all I'm asking.
So I'm going to ask you again.
I'll put
Are you
this?
willing-
I'll put my hands by my
Hey.
side, right?
Hey.
Yeah, I see that.
Are you willing to submit a field sobriety test or no?
I already said no. I'm asking her if I'm putting my
Cool.
hands by my side.
Stand up. Turn around for me.
Can I ask what your badge number is and your
24.
name?
24.
24 and your last name? Silvestri. Actually, 24. 24 Silvestri, right?
Yep.
Interesting.
Let go of your wrists.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
Let go of
Whoa,
your
whoa,
wrists.
whoa! I didn't do anything. I'm
Listen
sitting
to
here.
what I have to say.
Whoa.
Let go.
Relax.
Whoa, I'm sorry, but sir, you can
Hey.
you can cuff my wrist. My
You-
left hand is too much. Miss,
Relax.
is my left hand towards you?
Relax.
Let go.
Miss,
Relax.
Is my left hand towards
Relax.
you? Is my
Relax.
left hand towards you?
Yes, relax.
Yes. So, sir,
Relax.
I'm sorry, but like, if you're gonna sit there and be like, no, it's not towards her, she
Re-
just said yes, it is.
Relax.
So why don't you just go ahead and cuff me?
I'm
And
trying.
you can stop.
I'm
and then
trying.
stop executing a force of excessive power.
There's no
because you.
excessive force.
Oh, sure. Because you don't think you're something better than everybody else.
Relax.
Right. Right.
Listen.
Yeah. No, that's fine. I'm right here.
Are you gonna stop?
I'm not touching anything.
Are you
I'm
gonna
not
stop?
even moving my arm.
Okay.
He's the one that's saying that I'm doing something.
Relax.
Relax.
I'm
He needs to get
Miss,
the
I'm
second
totally
cuff
calm.
on.
I don't care. He's totally
Okay,
fine.
let him do it. Ready?
That's fine. Yeah.
He's gonna do it right
Look
now.
at this, miss. Watch
Give me a
this.
second set.
Watch this. Oh, he's gonna need a second set. I'm giving him my arm. That's hilarious. What a. What a. My goodness. You can't even take anybody by his hand.
I'm trying to do you a favor by not overextending your arms, pal.
No, I'm sorry. Being on the hook
Okay, sir,
of
did you
power
read?
is supposed to help me?
Yeah, just relax.
I am. I'm just curious because you can't take one person.
I'm gonna have the operator in custody as efficient as you
Yeah, I am.
I mean, let's be real here. Anybody in the floor is good.
Where's your double lock?
Are you guys
913.
military?
No.
Then why are you guys using military lingo? Papa Zulu, I'm sorry, but like I have military family and you guys are going to use military lingo? But you guys aren't military, right? Oh, that's fine. I'm just asking you, if you're going to use military lingo, why aren't you military?
Turn and face the car.
No, I don't have to.
Turn and face the car.
Asking you, why
Get
do
in
you
the car.
use military lingo
Get in
if
the
you're
car.
not military?
Get in the car.
Can I ask that question? I feel like I can.
Take this off.
No.
Take it off.
No.
Take it off or I'm gonna rip it off. Those are your options.
You can try.
Take it off or I'm gonna rip it off.
You can try.
Don't do this.
So, if you want to go through the lawyers, that's fine. You can rip it off. That's fine. But There's no reason that it's
Take it off to the station. Get in the car.
There's no reason that it's
Get
telling
in
you
the
that
car.
you are a problem
Sit back.
or I'm a problem.
Sit back. Sit back.
It's crazy. So you kicked me?
Get the fuck
Whoa! What's your name,
Get in the
miss?
car.
Miss, what's your name?
Get in the car.
So you're kicking me.
In the car.
I'm not doing anything wrong. I'm just asking why you kicked me. I'm just asking why you both kicked me. Hold on, I want last names.
You're gonna get sprayed if you don't get in the car.
I'm in the
You're
car.
gonna get
I
sprayed.
want last names
Put
from
your
both of you. I want last names from both of you. Put your foot in the car. Why? That's the best you can hit with? That's the best you can hit with? Oh my God!
You're gonna get sprayed right
That's
now.
I'm in the car.
Put your
I'm
foot
in the car.
Put your foot in the car. You're gonna get sprayed. Put your foot in the car.
Put your foot in the car. You're gonna get sprayed.
So the last
just
time I'm
because
telling
he's
you.
you can't
Put
do
your
it.
foot in the car. You're gonna get sprayed.
So,
asshole.
miss, here's the thing.
Okay, pepper spray administered.
Get your foot in the car.
Pepper spray administered.
I'm suing.
Put your foot in the car.
I want names.
Put your foot in the car.
I'm suing. I'm suing.
Get your foot in the car.
I'm suing. This is for a traffic stop.
Get your foot in the car.
Okay,
This is for a traffic stop.
Get your foot in the car.
This is for a traffic
Get your foot in
stop.
the car.
This is for a traffic stop. This
You're
is
gonna
for
get
a
tased.
traffic
Get your.
stop.
I'm gonna
You're gonna
tase
get
you.
tased.
I'm gonna tase you, bro.
I don't care.
Get
This
your
is for
foot
a
in the
traffic stop.
I'm gonna tase you.
I don't care.
Get in the
Get
car.
For a traffic stop. I'm in the
Get your
car.
foot in the car.
Go for it. I swear to God, you guys will lose your jobs and everything.
Put your foot in the car.
No,
You're gonna get tased, bro.
I don't care. This is inhumane. This is inhumane. This is insane. You dog. You absolute. This is insane. I'm gonna lose my vision.
Put
And
your
you
foot in the
guys are
car.
gonna be.
Put your foot in the car.
You can off.
Put your foot in the car.
Car.
You guys will be. I'm gonna lose my vision because of you.
Spit at him one more time.
You bet. 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 You wish. You wish I could spit at you. I can't even see you because you guys absolutely went for the most.
Put your foot in the car.
You guys are getting.
You're gonna
I
get
hate to
tased.
break it to you.
You're gonna get tased
So
if you don't
wanna
put your
get
foot in the car.
even more? You want
Put your foot in the car.
to get even more?
You want to spit in my face again?
I can't even.
Put your foot in the car.
Foot in the car.
Do it, you dog!
Get
You
your foot in the
fucking
car.
dog! So I'm in the car! So I'm in the car! I'm in the car, you
Get in the fucking car. Get the car. Get in the car. Close the door. Start to close the door. You're gonna get tased. You're gonna get tased. Mike, move. Mike, move it. Sir, put your leg in the car now. Put your leg in the car, or you're gonna get sprayed again.
Get in the car.
Guy's gonna get dry sound right now.
I can't see! I
Yes,
can't feel!
that's what happens. Put your leg in the car. Bend your leg now.
Put your leg in the car.
No!
Put
Yes.
your leg in the car.
You're gonna get sprayed again.
You're going to get drive stunned if you don't stop. Put your leg in the car. Sir, the quicker you put your leg in the car, the quicker we can get you back to the station to get the pepper spray decon.
So if I go blind, can I have these
You're not gonna go
officer's hands?
blind.
I
We're
am,
gonna give
'cause
you
I'm not
all the
gonna do it.
information.
Put your
Hey,
leg in
tell
the
him to
car.
get his fucking hands off of me, and I will gladly listen to you.
Put your leg in the car.
Put
Now.
his hands off of me right now, and I will gladly
We
listen.
don't. I'm not negotiating. Put your leg in the
Great.
Listen to what this officer is about to tell you.
That's fine. Please, can I come out, please?
No, you can't come out. You're gonna get your rights read. We're gonna take you to the station. We're gonna decon you.
Can I just, please, like, I swear to God, officer, I won't do anything wrong, please.
No, you're gonna listen to this officer.
I need a help. I need a help.
Yes, we're gonna get you help. Listen to this officer.
Please, I just need 10 seconds outside of the car. I'll do whatever you want, please. Please.
Listen to this officer.
Please, officer, please. I can't. Please. Please. I'm just I'm so anxious. Please.
You're suspected of driving while under the influence of intoxicating liquor and or drugs. You have the right to remain silent. You do not have to answer any questions or give statements. If you do answer questions or give statements, they can and will be used in evidence against you in court. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be provided to you. You have the right to be examined at your own expense immediately by a physician selected by you. You will be afforded a reasonable opportunity to exercise this right.
Please, I'm serious. Please, I cannot do this.
back
Please.
now, Susan.
I swear to God, I'm going to jail. I don't care. Please, pray to God, just let me blow my nose with a tissue. Please, miss. Please, I hand to God. I'll go wherever you need me to. Hand to God. It doesn't matter. I don't care.
All right, transport, let's go. Wrap it
Where
up.
am I supposed
We're taking him back to the station so we can decon him and do everything else. And then we're going to get him to the hospital if he needs to go to the hospital, okay?
The man was transported to the police station for decontamination of the pepper spray in his eyes, then to the hospital at his request. He was charged with DUI, refusal to chemical test, and resisting arrest. What do you think would be an appropriate sentence? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.